Okay, so chia seeds are tiny but packed with nutrients. They're easy to include in your meals. Here's some simple ways to consume chia seeds. First, you can soak them in water. Take one tablespoon of chia seeds and mix it with 1 cup of water. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. The seeds will absorb in the water and become gel-like. You can drink this mixture or add it to smoothies. Another way is to sprinkle the chia seeds on your food. You can add them to yogurt, oatmeal, cereal for a crunchy texture. They also taste great on salads or in baked goods like muffins. Okay? You can also make chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with milk or a milk alternative. Add a bit of sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Let it sit in the fridge for a few hours overnight. And in the morning, you're going to have a tasty and healthy pudding. Now finally, you can blend chia seeds into smoothies for an extra boost of nutrition. Just remember to start with small amounts to see how your body feels. Chia seeds are fun and healthy, and it's a good way to add fiber and nutrients to your diet.